Hi, this is RV from the P-pop boy band Sweet Label. And ngayon, samahan niyo ako dahil maglalaro kami ng This or That. I think I'll go with Night Owl. Pero minsan, kailangan din natin maggising na maaga for our priorities for school or work. Minsan, kailangan din natin mag-early bird. Pero, gusto mo pa rin yung Night Owl kasi yung di mo na lang namamalaya na umaga na kasi ginagawa mo yung gusto mo like playing games, watching movies, or other things. I'll still go with gala outside kasi I really love to ride and I really like to go other places. Masarap din naman magstay at home lalo kapag yung uuwi ka na lang para magpahinga. I'll still go with gala outside. For me, this is depende talaga sa mood kasi minsan gusto mo talaga ng ma-stimulate yung tenga mo, gusto mo buhay, kailangan mo ng rock. Pero kung gusto mo naman ma-stimulate yung utak mo para magawa yung mga gusto mong gawin, nakikinig talaga ako ng jazz music, lalo yung mga previous pa na jazz music. Kasi may something sa jazz music na naging productive kapag nakikinig ka. Pero I'll still go with rock kasi yun talagang pinapakinggan ko madalas. And I really stand multiple rock bands. And again, this is RV and catch us more on P-pop Bias Spotlight at Domodomo. See you again!